Well, schools and colleges are very interested in remote learning currently because of 2020. This is one of the most unusual years I have ever worked within networking and within academia. With the global pandemic and with all the concerns and challenges that has brought, the need for a remote solution within schools, colleges and universities has never been more important. As an example, if a student or a member of the faculty walks onto that campus and starts coughing and spluttering, all hell is going to break loose and they're going to be ushered out the door and to their car and driven off campus faster than you can even imagine. So if we want to retain business and educational continuity for students and faculty, this is wages as well as degrees and qualifications, then we need to provide them with a solution that is flexible, adaptable and really quick to deploy so they can be home and back online as quick as possible. Now we have a couple of ways that we can do that. One of which is our 3-pin plug, the AP30. No one else does this. It's a little atom access point that you can plug into the wall. It then creates a layer 2 VPN right back into the center of the school so that the student and the teacher can have access to everything they need as if they were on campus. Because quite often, if you have a cough or a little bit of a temperature, it doesn't always mean that you're bedridden. And you're going to have to lose 2 weeks of work or 2 weeks of learning because you've got a little bit of a temperature. You can't be on site, so we want to keep that learning going. So that's one of our major solutions. There's a few other things that we can do as well. A major one is offering visibility. Now, our cloud platform can provide unparalleled visibility into those clients, into those students, into those teachers on the network, whether they're off-site or on-site. So you can make sure that you're still keeping those members of the faculty and students up to date and they're not missing out.